Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with a review. I know, long time, right? Long time, because girl, I had been busy, but I'm back to like full-time content creation, so I got time now. I've been seeing K18 swirling and dipping around on social media. The thing that intrigued me about this K18 brand is that people were saying that it was better than Olaplex. And I really enjoy Olaplex as far as the treatments goes, the step system, because I really feel like it really contributed to my hair health. I really just love how my hair feels with Olaplex. So when I was hearing about like the girls were saying K18 is better than Olaplex and like kick Olaplex to the curb, I was like, okay, I'm intrigued. What is it about K18 and specifically the leave-in repair mask that is having the girls going? So I went and purchased the small bottle because first I was like, wait, this is expensive. This little bottle, this bottle is actually 0.5 fluid ounces. So when I saw this at Sephora, I was like, this is like, I think this was like $25. No, actually, this was $29. So I was really intrigued as far as what exactly does it do and do I really need this? Because I was seeing some of the relaxed girlies on TikTok talking about like, oh, you need this, get this, it works, it's really transformed my hair. And also the natural girlies were saying the same thing. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and dive in and get this, but let me get the small bottle because I'm not sure how this is going to do. I'm not sure if my hair is going to like it. From my understanding, this is a leave-in conditioner. So I've been using this as a leave-in after I shampoo, after I deep condition, after I co-wash. I'm going to read the description on the website. First of all, it was a Allure Best of Beauty winner in 2022. So I was really intrigued. I was like, okay, let me buy this, because I did buy this probably sometime around like November-ish time frame. So the description here says it's a 4-minute leave-in treatment to reverse hair damage, but it's a leave-in treatment. So I decided to use it as a leave-in conditioner. It says a leave-in treatment mask that works on the molecular level to reverse hair damage in just 4 minutes. It says the K18 peptide is clinically proven to repair damage from bleach, color, chemical services, and heat with immediate and lasting results to restore strength, softness, smoothness, and bounce to the hair. And I'm going to be honest with you. When my very first time using this, I didn't see what the deal was. I was like, oh, I don't know what it's supposed to do. Didn't know. So I posted a quick clip on my story on Instagram, and I posted a short here on YouTube, and I took a poll on my Instagram page, and a lot of you guys have never tried this ever. So then I was like, the girls aren't trying this, like what's the tea? Like what am I, is it gonna work? So I did get a response from a few ladies where they said they loved it, and they said try it at least 4 times to see the actual results, because I am relaxed, and from the TikTok relaxed girlies, they were like all raving over this. So I was like, okay, let me give it a try, because I personally, I'm an Olaplex girl. I literally love what Olaplex did to my hair. I really love Olaplex. So I actually gave it a try, and I will have to say, after multiple uses, I do like this. I've tried this product as a leave-in conditioner, like I said before, after I deep condition. Some people use this a little bit differently, but I like using this in sections to detangle my hair and let it air dry. When I say my hair is really soft and really manageable, it's like, whoa, it almost feels like moisturizing in a sense, even though I do know this is a repair mask. leave-in. I think what initially threw me off when I first heard about this product, when I saw it said leave-in molecule repair hair mask, because normally when I think of hair mask, I rinse a hair mask off. But I also talked to the Sephora lady in there, and she looked like me, you know, so I felt good about it. She was like, yeah, it's a leave-in conditioner. Technically, it's just a leave-in. I'm like, oh, all right. So the usage on here, it says usage: shampoo, do not condition. I don't do it like that. I don't use it in that way because I just don't. I have to deep condition my hair. It says towel dry, begin with begin with 3 pumps and add more as needed. Work evenly from ends to roots. I don't use it like that though. But I found that it was cute for me, okay, on days that I co-wash where I don't deep condition. But I've used it in a few different ways where I feel like I genuinely do see the difference with my hair and I do like it. I just always deep condition and then use this. But I will say my air drying process was magical. I will say it just really made my hair really manageable and easy to detangle, especially when I was recently 14 weeks post relaxer. My new growth was just very manageable when I applied this in sections and worked my detangling from end to root. It was just immaculate. So I will be doing a separate video on how I actually apply this to my hair in sections and how my hair looks after I use this, because I will say I have noticed a difference with my hair with using this leave-in hair mask. I would say in total I have used this about 13 times. I've used it when I've had a fresh relaxer. I've used it when I was many weeks post, and I will say I used it and noticed a difference with how my hair feels overall. I didn't initially see a visual change with my hair at all, because I know some of you are like, do it before and after. I haven't seen a visual change just yet, but I have noticed a difference with how my hair feels, because I'm gonna have an honest moment. I was working full time and I totally slipped up on my hair care routine regimen, okay? I was like really messed up bad, okay? I wasn't really prioritizing myself and my hair care. So once I actually started to get back into prioritizing myself and getting back into my hair care routine, I did notice a difference with how my hair felt, okay? It made a great difference. So now would I keep this into my hair care routine? Absolutely, I do see myself keeping this within my regimen, but I will say the thing that I don't know how it reacts to my hair, because I haven't been putting heat on my hair really much. I don't know how it reacts when I personally blow dry and flat iron my hair. I have watched hair tutorials of other ladies who are natural, who had maybe like a 3C, 3B hair type, where they would use this before they may apply tape-in extensions or do a roller set or a blowout, and the results were amazing. I personally just haven't run across any natural ladies who were type 4 hair type who have used this. Comment below if you are type 4 natural and you've used this and how your hair reacted to it. Do you love it on your hair? I have seen a lot of relaxed ladies use this and they absolutely love it. I love it on my relaxed hair, and I have noticed a change with how my hair feels. And with me getting back to myself and prioritizing myself and taking care of myself and self-care, okay? I'm getting back into my hair care routine, and my hair definitely has changed as far as how it feels. So I really do like that. So I wanted to get on here and share with you guys. Also really quick before I go, I have noticed that it does help with my air drying, to have it air dry much smoother. Now would I compare this to the Olaplex number 6 bond smoother? I'm not really sure yet. I do know this, I've used this Olaplex number 6 as a leave-in as well, but this one is just slightly different. I will say that the K18 does provide me a little more slip to my hair than the Olaplex number 6. I feel like the Olaplex number 6 does give me a different air dry feel to my hair because since I am relaxed, I don't blow dry my hair really often. I don't apply heat to my hair to dry it. I just let my hair air dry. And I will say these they're different in a way. They are, but I will say the K18 does give me a little more slip. It gives me a little more manageability versus this does smooth my hair out a bit more, but this just makes my hair feel really soft and really like kind of like slippy, like silky in a way. It's really hard to describe what exactly this is. So I do know it's a repair system. I was fully aware that I was gonna feel something different before I see a change with my hair, but I definitely do with the multiple uses. I do feel the difference with my hair. I'm not sure if I see a difference quite yet. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time to see a difference, and I'll let you guys know, but I do feel a difference with my hair with this for sure. So yeah, if you guys do have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and the information about this K18 will be down in the description below. I purchased mine from Sephora, and I think I may purchase the full size bottle, but boy is it expensive. Now is it worth it? I think so. Will I explore more products within the K18 line? Not sure yet. I think I'm going to do a bit more research to see how I can incorporate that into my regimen and if it will be useful for me. Let me know in the comments below if you use any additional products from the K18 line, and have you seen a difference with your hair, whether relaxed or natural. I would love to read that because sharing is caring. Okay, so yeah, but I will say I like this. At first I was a bit iffy about it. I was like, I don't get it. At first I was like, I don't get it, but you guys like, be patient, try it, and I can say I really do like it. It just really made my hair very manageable. I will say that, especially when I was a lot of weeks post relaxer. I felt like my detangling process was like a breeze. The comb just went straight through, especially when I got closer up to the roots. It was giving what it was supposed to give. So I get it now. I get it. So yeah, as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and feel free to comment any comments that you have about K18 and any other product within the brand that you have been loving so far. I would love to read that. And as always, I will be back with further reviews with my hair since I'm back prioritizing myself and my hair care. Alright. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later.